19 ang tumutol sa pag-aproba sa Parliament Bill number 415. 4 ang nag-abstain. Pakinggan natin ang ilan sa mga bumoto ng no sa kanilang pagpapaliwanag sa kanilang naging desisyon.
Anyway, ang boto ko, napakalaking no po. Pero dahil sa appeal ng speaker natin, I will not explain. Kasi gaano kong explain yan, gaya nung kasabihan ng mga Tagalog, gaano kahaba ang proseso, pero sa simbahan pa rin ang pupuntahan. So, I will not explain my vote. No? Kasi gaano karami ang explanation ko, babagsak pa rin ng ang boto ko, napakalaking vote. No po ang boto ko.
So my vote is no because as I've said, I want to be consistent and even if I know that it is a hard-won battle. So yun lang po.
I will end by reminding us this. They plan and Allah plans. Surely Allah is the best of planners. As I have taken a stand for Bill 407 since its filing, I vote no to this districting bill. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Vote no is not an act of defiance against our shared goals, nor a move toward disunity, but rather a commitment to our shared brotherhood in the name of Islam and the long-term stability of the Bangsamoro.
Mr. Speaker, for my negative votes because as I said that this is not disobedience or disloyalty, but this bill departs from the MILF UBGP proposal.
I cast humble no at this time because I believe this bill needs further deliberations to avoid repeating the mistakes that led the Supreme Court declaring past redistricting laws unconstitutional. So I vote no.
A law that begins in life under the shadow of constitutional doubt cannot be source of unity, stability, or lasting peace for the Bangsamoro. For this reason, and guided by law, conscience, and our moral responsibility to the Bangsamoro people, I am compelled to vote no on this redistricting bill. May Allah always choose what is lawful, just, and right, even when it's difficult.
Na ang aking susuportahan kung anuman ang proposed bill ng ating MILF Central Committee o Moral Islamic Liberation Front Central Committee, ayun po ang susuportahan ko at yan ay paninindigan ko hanggang sa katapusan ng Bangsamoro Transition Authority. My vote is no, Mr. Speaker. Maraming salamat po.
The essence of democracy has proven our mutual obligation to pass a genuine law. Even we voted differently, we have a sense of respect to stand and speak and to be heard. I humbly vote no to stand on the position of MIL leadership. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kasama na rin yun, Mr. Speaker, kung bakit ako ay nagboto ng no ngayon. Ang isa ring dahilan, Mr. Speaker, this is not because I am favoring a certain bill from a certain political party, Mr. Speaker, but because as an MILF nominated MP, Mr. Speaker, I support kung ano yung bill na gusto ng MILF.
Democracy is always founded on key principles designed to protect individual dignity and ensure inclusive governance. As a son of a former member of the Central Committee of the MILF and as its nominee, despite how things turned out, my vote is no, primarily due to principles. That, however, Mr. Speaker, does not deviate me from not respecting tonight's result of democracy.
We have a general goal that is right to self-determination. My colleague, this is not a vote on a paper. It is a vote on the future of our people. The bill, in its present form, fails to truly listen to the voices on the ground, especially in Lanao del Sur. I vote no. Thank you very much.
Mr. Speaker, colleagues in the BTA, At the outset, let me express my felicitations on the democratic and open deliberation of the BTA Bill 415. Specifically, I acknowledge that the outcome is accepted by the majority. Nonetheless, Mr. Speaker, I will vote no. I vote no as my indignation of the violation of the 1996 Final Peace Agreement's implementation during the transition period under the 2014 Comprehensive Agreement of the Bangsamoro, specifically against the disavowal of the effort to preserve the gains of the peace process that started decades ago. Mr. Speaker, I vote no, not to reject the bill, but to reject the distribution of the 7 seats allotted for our brothers in Sulu. Mr. Speaker, my no vote comes with a prayer that it will become a flicker, a spark, and an ember of hope of whatever that will spark or an ember of whatever remains of the fighting spirit of the brave and heroic people of Lupa Sioux.